Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, Applying Conditional Formatting. My name is Jaleesa Doney and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss how to apply conditional formatting within Excel. Conditional formatting allows you to quickly see patterns or trends in your data by changing the appearance of cells that meet the conditions you specify. Within Excel, you can format cells based on their values, cells that contain specific information or text, cells that fall within a certain range of values, cells with values that are above or below average, as well as cells that include unique or duplicate values. To add conditional formatting, click to highlight the column or row where you want to add this feature. Then navigate to the Home tab and the Style section and click the Conditional Formatting icon. You can then select one of Excel's pre-offered options or click New Rule. Select the rule type you want to use, such as format only top or bottom ranked values, and then edit the rule description to meet your conditions. In the preview box, you can see what your formatting will look like, but by default, no format is set. Click the Format box to select your conditional formatting appearance. These options can include filling with a specific color or a pattern style, adding a border, or changing the font style. Once you select your format options, click OK. The preview box now shows you what your conditional formatting will look like. Click OK to apply the conditional formatting to your selected column or row. Within Excel, you can also apply conditional formatting to more than one column or row by following the same instructions. Click to highlight the column or row where you want to add this feature, navigate to the Home tab and the Style section, and click the Conditional Formatting icon. If we select one of Excel's pre-offered rules, such as the Highlight Cells rule icon and Text that contains, we can go ahead and type in a specific word or a phrase, change the appearance of the conditional formatting, and then click OK to apply that feature. To edit your conditional formatting options, navigate to the Home tab in the Style section again and click that conditional formatting icon. Then scroll down and click on Manage Rules. In the Show Formatting Rules for drop-down box, select this worksheet to see all of the conditional formatting rules you've created. Click to highlight the rule you want to edit, click Edit Rule, and then make and apply your desired changes. And then click OK. And click OK again to finalize. You can remove conditional formatting in two ways. The first option is to highlight the column or row where you want to remove the conditional formatting. Navigate to the Home tab in the Style section, click the Conditional Formatting icon, hover over Clear Rules, and select Clear Rules from selected cells. This option works best if you only have one conditional formatting rule within the column or row that you've highlighted. This next option works best if you have more than one conditional formatting rule within the column or row you're working with. Navigate to the Home tab and the Style section, click the Conditional Formatting icon, click Manage Rules, and in the Show Formatting Rules drop-down box, be sure that this worksheet is selected so that you can see all of the conditional formatting rules across your entire sheet. Click to highlight the rule you want to delete, and click Delete Rule, and then click OK to apply those changes. To remove all conditional formatting rules from an entire sheet, navigate to the Home tab in the Style section, click that conditional formatting icon again, hover over Clear Rules, and select Clear Rules from entire sheet. Thank you for watching Applying Conditional Formatting. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.